We are in our room. We are in room 5397. We are in the Cove balcony. So I'm going to give you guys a room tour to show you our balcony room. So first and foremost, as you enter, right here, there's something that you would have to put this in, which turns on the light. Now bear in mind, you don't have to use that. You could use any paper or anything to do that. Up here controls the temperature. This also controls the light. You press that. This controls that. And when you press the top one, this controls right here by the door. So next up right here as you enter is a closet. In this closet has your hangers, different levels. You can put shoes and what's not. You have your safe. You can put your coat in. The next one is some more closet space. You also have a mirror right here, a full mirror that you can see. I think that's the only one with a mirror here. And then let me close that. Before I go any further, let's go to the bathroom, seeing that we're already here. You have these, you can put your towels on or your bags or what's not. This light here controls the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It's pretty small, but it will do what it needs to do. You have a little mirror here, magnifying glass. What I love about this cruise is it has a glass door. Unlike the other cruises, you just have the curtain, which messes up the whole floor every time. So it's very spacious. You have this, you can actually move this if you want. You have shampoo and shower gel. There's no conditioner. This is your heat. Put your soap, towel here. You put your foot here, I guess, if you gotta do something. Towel section here as well. Okay, so you have your towels here and there, and then you have some shelving to put whatever toiletries you need. So now to the main part of the bedroom. In the two corners, you'd see that there aren't any stands, but you have something like to put your phone. There's one on both sides. Put your phone and whatever else you may want to rest. Here is actually a flashlight. Go walk in or go to the bathroom in the night, you could use this, or you want to read or what's not. So like I said, it's on both sides. This here controls the lighting in the back. It's really pretty in the nighttime. This one controls the center there. Unlike if you are at the door and you want to turn on the light and you just reach, you would turn it from there. But if at night you're ready to go to sleep, you click it here to turn it off. Turn that off. This one controls the one to the door. So, our nice king size bed. Then you have your television. On the television, usually has your name. I don't see our name on it. So we ordered our water prior to the cruise. They would deliver that to your room in advance. This is also a lighting, which I love the mirror. The mirror is giving content creator. Yeah. So you have your remote for the television, which I think should go somewhere over here. So right here, like I said, you have different things you could scan to see if you want to order any menu or the spa, or show you what's going on the cruise. And what I love about this cruise, I love the mirror and the lighting, but you also have a lot of different sockets to plug in and chargers and what's not, the USB chargers. You have your telephone, you can dial out, notepad. You have your glasses. Now these water here you actually have to pay for. Depending on which VIP member, you may have free water. We are now gold members, so we get a free water, and we also get one free drink second to last night or last night of the cruise as a VIP member. Up here, another space to put stuff. You have a lot of table area. You have these drawers, more storage place. If you want to order laundry service, you'll have to fill this out and put your stuff in the bag. More space, put clothes or what's not. This is your, I think this should have been in the bathroom, but this is your blow dryer. Couldn't remember what this name for nothing. Now, another thing, this here is like a seating area, like for me when I want to do my makeup. Sit here, let me play that. Yeah, but another thing that this is good for, if you lift it up, storage space. And then this here is actually when you want to eat in bed, put your food on there. Bam! Take that. So, let's put that back. Now to the best part of the room. Well, not that part yet. So this here is a bed. I've seen people do this before, so I'm not gonna do the whole thing because even they had trouble, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to end up. But you could actually pull this out, and if you have guests, they could actually, this could pull out to be another bed. This is your towels. Make sure you always bring those back to the room. If these aren't in the room, when you disembark, they're gonna charge you for them. So you want to make sure also return it. This here is also another light. Okay, so we also have here, they said that this isn't really a fridge, but it's more of a cooler. So that's what it is. If by any chance it's not cool enough, they said that you can actually call your room attendant and have them maybe turn down it to make it more cool. But in here, it's cool, but I think it could be a bit cooler for real. But yeah. So another thing here, as you can see, fresh air only. You would be fined $500 if you were found smoking in this room. And if you want to see the menu for room service, then just scan that. And with the phone, if you have any of these that you need to do, just press the button. As simple as that. Everything there from room service, guest service, housekeeping, medical emergencies, or anything, you can just press the numbers there. So this here just shows you what's going on the boat, tells you where like different areas are on the ship, what's going on, what's happening, where you're going every day. Have these in every room. And yeah, if you want to scan, if you have any room allergies or anything and you need to do that, then you just scan those. And then here is the best part. Get a balcony to go on the balcony. This is a window actually, so that you'll be able to see outside. As you can see, we haven't actually left the port yet. We just got in 1:30 in our rooms at 1:30. So now let's go outside. So the child safety lock may be on when you enter your room, so you have to actually twist it until you hear that sound, and then it has the instructions here how to open it. This way is always closed, and to open you just press it down and push. So this is our balcony. It's not that super big, but it's a view, and you have a little table, you have your chairs, and yeah. So this is a connected balcony. So our guests next door, who we are on the cruise with, if we wanted to go, we can actually open this and go through there with them. So the room isn't connected, but the balcony door is connected if you want to. So yeah. So that is the end of my room tour. Thank you guys for watching Wanderlust.